yes you can. When your tummy gives a sign that it's time to take a break, run to the bathroom, don't be shy, it's a choice that you can make. Goodbye diapers, hello potty, I can show you how it's done. Clap your hands and wiggle, wiggle, learning new things can be fun. Listen to your body now, it will tell you when to go. You're getting bigger every day, and there's something